Now I am going to give you demo about how to do repairing of electric iron. So this is your iron, and normally we find problem is like this, because we keep non continuously pressure comes over here. We keep folding wires and oil like this, so this get damage over here. So 60%, 60 to 70% problem in the iron comes in this. So it's very easy to repair, and we can replace this it very easily ourselves. Now going to show you how we can do it. So there is 90% of the iron have the screw like this. You have to open. See this. So we have to check my wire is good or bad. I am going to show the. See, you can see light is glowing, that means wire is good. Is faulty. You can get this type of hardware wire from hardware store. You have to just using your blade, either if you have a stripper is good, other you can use blade and knife. You can remove this wire, fold it like this, twist like this, and make a proper hook, and then replace the wire here. Sometimes we find our surface is because कुछ कपड़ा जल गया या चिपक गया, तो it become dirty and all that thing, and then when we do ironing on like this, it gets stuck over here. That is can be easily cleaned by using your any toothpaste mixed with the salt, and just apply it and clean it like this, so your the surface will be clean. I think if you do this much is okay, but I will be definitely like to explain what is the inside there, and that I will be showing you by slide. One advice I will give you, once you are using any instrument after very long time, and just check it is not shorted or open from anywhere. So how to check this thing? First, with the body, with earthing, it should be light. With other two pins, this light should not glow. That means there is no shorting in the instrument. If you directly connect to the instrument and there is a short circuit, your trimmer will be, your light will be, trimmer will be trip, or there will be big spark over there. So whenever you using long time, you can test it and then use, that will be better. And another more important point is that now I have shown you in the electric iron how to replace the wire. The same technique will be used in any instrument. Only thing you have to find out from where the mains is coming. You have to check the continuity. If wire is damaged, you have to replace it. You need not to call anyone for replacing the wires.